So the UX space in Jordan, jobs-wise, it's pretty interesting because it's still new. So you would have to go through being a junior, then you have to go being a senior, being a more, let's say, up the scale positions. But the first time I got my job, it was pretty much through LinkedIn. But because I have been almost for 2-3 years working as a freelancer, so my work was already out there. So some people saw my work and understood what I do, and they asked me to work with them. But it's not always the case unless you put yourself out there. I can tell you something about the UX industry. It's not very different from other industries, or let's scale it down. It's not very different from what people say it is, which is UX design. The benefits you would get from this position, if you are looking for benefits or for satisfaction or for something specific in this position, it would be the same as other positions, unless you are looking through the looking glass on this position, which would be the satisfaction of always questioning things and researching things and understanding how things work, and the fact that it's still a new space in Jordan, so it definitely pays well, but you have to be up to the task. I can give you an advice about UX UI. It would be always question things. You're always wrong, and there is always a better answer. So you would need to research more, understand more, but you need to understand when to cross the line. That is enough research. There is always more research, but you need to understand that there is a line that you have to draw in sand to stop there and create a product that is, in a cliche way, perfectly imperfect.